Ninja Blast won't blend smoothly? Try this tip. If your Ninja Blast sounds strained or leaves chunks behind, try this simple trick to get smoother blends every time. 1. Layer ingredients correctly. The order you load the cup matters. Start with liquids at the bottom, then soft ingredients like yogurt or banana, and frozen items or ice on top. This keeps the blades moving freely right from the start. 2. Don't overpack the cup. Stuffing the cup to the top can stall the blades and strain the motor. Stick to the max fill line and leave space for ingredients to move. 3. Use enough liquid. Too little liquid equals lumpy results. Add at least 100 milliliters or more to help the blades circulate ingredients properly. 4. Try a quick shake. For thicker blends, pulse once or twice, then flip the blender upside down and give it a few shakes before blending again. 5. Use a blending cheat sheet. Want to get your ratios right every time? We've linked a quick blender cheat sheet in the description that helps you build perfect smoothies fast. If this helped you blend smoother, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.